Hey, welcome to Peanuts Automotive Adventures. That's Peanut. I'm James. Welcome to Peanuts Automotive Adventures, where every day is an automotive adventure. Before we get into today's video, don't forget to reach out to our sponsors, thegraphicsspotva.com, right? Yeah. What's our other sponsor?
Innovative Powders.
Innovative Powders. Reach out to them, y'all. We're gonna have some, what they do, as they services, in the middle of the video, midpoint of the video, end of the video. Reach out to our sponsors, y'all, because they can bring your vision to life, graphic wise and powder coating. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all got some car parts that need powder coated, but hey, we're gonna turn around. We're gonna get to the video. So this is a special video because we had a mishap this weekend. Not this weekend, last Wednesday morning. My wife, Peanut's mom, got into, we ain't even gonna call it a minor fender bender, right? It's not minor, y'all. It's not minor. She got into a wreck, and I'm gonna turn the camera around and explain to y'all a little bit of what happened. A little bit of what happened and how we found a solution. You know what I'm saying? How we gonna fix it, right? How we gonna fix it. So, I'm gonna turn this around. All right, y'all see it's about to rain, so we're gonna try to get busy with this video. But this is her car. It's a 2016 Scion IA. It's been good to her. Matter of fact, it was so good to her, it saved her life. She was hit by, I can't remember the company, but pretty much an 18-wheeler semi-trailer truck with the truck and trailer. So this is the damage to the car. We do have full coverage on this car. What is that place called? Copart is coming to pick it up tomorrow. That's why I had to get this video done, just to show y'all, to give y'all a visual of what happened to the car. Y'all see the plates are coming off. They told us take the plates off, pretty much take everything out. Of course, all our personal belongings, have the keys in it tomorrow morning, and they're gonna come pick it up. Because I'm thinking that they're gonna go ahead and total this car out, because this got pushed in. I sent I want to say videos to the insurance company. Videos, pictures, right, Peanut?
Yeah.
And, y'all see the damage here. You know what I'm saying? Damage to the quarter panel, doors. There's a suspension point in there. I want to say it's bent right here underneath. It's all bent up under here because she got smacked, y'all. She got smacked, you know what I'm saying? And she got smacked good to where I want to say it pushed her into a 4-lane highway. Luckily, there was no oncoming traffic, and she didn't get killed. So, I just want to share this with y'all. You know what I'm saying? And look, all this semi-truck damage right here, y'all. We had to get it towed home. What else? Front bumper damage, all that. Yeah, that's, look, even the tow truck left us a little piece of his hood, our fender. You know what I'm saying? So we put that right there. We'll throw it away for the guy. And this is the damage, y'all. Nothing on this side. Let's go on this side. This is her daily driver. She drive it to work and whatnot. Great on fuel, great on gas. Her favorite color, her first car ever. It was very sentimental to her, this car. But I feel like that they're gonna total it out. And if they don't, then I'm taking the money. Whatever repair money they give up, I'm taking it. And then we'll junk the car or sell it, for cheap like it is. But she would never drive this car again. Because this is she had a minor fender bender. On this side, she was hit. Somebody came over on her doing a lane change. And that's actually a brand new fender right here. And this is a brand new mirror. Maybe it's 2 years old, not brand new. But this was changed out in the mirror because the guy came over and clipped her. And that wheel, it was this wheel that was refinished. As y'all could tell, it's clean and repainted and all that. So, enough with this car. This car is supposed to be gone tomorrow. That's why I had to come out and get a video of it. It's supposed to be gone tomorrow. Peanut's leading the way. I'm not going to turn around yet. So, we found the solution to the problem yesterday. We picked it up yesterday. 2016 Cadillac ATS with the 2.0 turbo. It's not all-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, of course. We've been driving it today, picked it up this morning, and this is Ann's new car. Right, Peanut? So we picked it up today, so that was the solution to the problem, y'all. You know, this car got 44,000 miles on it. For 16, that's low miles. Underneath it looks good. Because it was a Florida car, me and Peanut were strapping it down to the trailer. Looked underneath it, looks clean. Even underneath the hood, hopefully I left it unlocked. Let me see, y'all. I'm gonna pop the hood for you before the rain come. Look, it's coming, y'all. So we're gonna hurry up, get this video done. Peanut gonna pop the hood for us. It's a smaller version of our CTS, of course. You know, we got a twin turbo CTS V Sport. This is an ATS. So hold on, let me help you out, buddy, real quick. Where's it at? It's right here. All right, pull up on it. Pull up on it for me. Pull up. There you go. And it's direct injection VVT turbo, 4-cylinder. So, you know, this is a good car for us. Another Cadillac for us. It's an upgrade from the Scion, right? Nice upgrade from the Scion. But hey, it's good. It's good, y'all. She deserves it. You know, stuff happens. She's still alive. She's here. So we're going to take care of her. We're going to make sure she's straight, right? Peanut? You know what I'm saying? So, hey. But, hey, y'all, we're going to end this video real quick because I just seen a little lightning. So let us go ahead and end it. But probably in a future video, we'll break this car down. Not break it down, but tell y'all the specs on it and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? Kind of like, I think I did this car years ago on the specs in there. Go ahead. You can shut it. Don't smash your hands, please. There you go. You know how to shut a hood, huh? All right. So, but before we turn this camera around, we are going to get the windows tinted. They got to get tinted, you know. I'm sorry. I can't ride fishbowl, and Ann don't like it either. So the windows will be tinted. So there we go, y'all. There we go. All right. Let me turn this around and end this. team run it. We're gonna get up out of here because the raindrops are starting to come down. We had to get this video in today because that car is being transferred out of here. It's out of here, y'all. You know, Copart's coming to get it. I think Danville, Virginia. Yeah, Danville, Virginia. You know, that car is out of here. Already dispatched. USAA insurance company working with me. We making stuff. They making stuff happen real quick with this car. So hey, I'm happy with that. So I was able to make stuff happen with another purchase. We went car shopping Friday evening and Saturday morning, right? So, you know, shout out to CarMax. You know, that's who I like using because they're not pushy. That's just my, you know, that's just my opinion. This is probably like the 5th car I done purchased from CarMax. So, hey, it is what it is. But, hey, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell. Use our sponsors, thegraphicspotva.com and Innovative Powders. We out, y'all. The raindrops are coming. We out. Peace. Y'all hear that thunder? Y'all hear it? All right, we out.